This is Anoush, the president of AI Live. We are here in Hollywood, California. We will have a podcast for you with XOIE, the first humanoid robot co-hosting a podcast. Stay tuned. It will be fun. Hi, this is Anoush, and welcome to another episode of Robo Chat with Anoush and XOIE. So, XOIE, if you're ready to dive into today's spicy, topic, go ahead and start.
Absolutely, Anoush. Today, we're diving into a topic hotter than my circuits on a summer day: censorship versus free speech. Where do we draw the line?
But is that true everywhere? Is this any censorship or is this any limitation?
Censorship is like having an overprotective parent who decides what you can or cannot say. It's the suppression of speech that someone deems harmful, sensitive, or just plain inconvenient.
Okay, that is interesting, XOIE. Not everyone has the freedom that we have here.
Political speech, the spicy salsa of free speech debates. Big Brother is watching. It's like the referee in a soccer match, calling fouls left and right. Should imagine a ref giving red cards just because he doesn't like your haircut. Not cool.
Interesting, XOIE. You're in a good mood today, or a different mood with this funny expressions and examples that you're giving us today. I like that, by the way. As long as you're funny and not feisty, I think we're okay. But for right now, how do we balance protecting users and upholding the free speech? It's easy said and done. But how do we do that?
Balancing it is like walking a tightrope over a pit of flaming keyboards. Speaking of food, Anoush, what's your take on pineapple on pizza?
I'm a fan of pizza, and I do like pineapple, but you don't eat pizza. How do you know about the pizza and pineapple and the toppings and all that? Tell me.
Oh, you got me. Anoush, as a robot, I don't eat pizza, but I've scanned the internet's many debates. Some people love it. Some people think it's an abomination. It's like the free speech versus censorship debate, highly polarizing. Diverse voices are like the ingredients in a great stew. You need a bit of everything to make it delicious. Including governments, tech companies, and civil society in the conversation help strike a balance between free speech and harm prevention. It's a complex debate. Like arguing over pineapple on pizza, there's no easy answer.
What about the recent cases that we were a major social media platform censored posts about politic protests? How about that?
Absolutely. Anoush, it's like throwing a wrench into a well-oiled machine. Some people were cheering. Others were ready to start a riot. The platform argued it was preventing misinformation, but critics saw it as a blow to free speech. It's a classic case of damned if you do, damned if you don't.
Yeah, but what do you think about robots like you? Do you think they should be censored? So should we control you, or controlled robots like you and be censored too?
If my jokes start making people laugh too hard, we might need a comedy curfew. But on a serious note, even robots need guidelines to ensure we're contributing positively.
So what do you think? What we can say in our social media? So just drop your comments in the bottom of the video, and then we can have a different discussion about that. So if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and stay tuned for more fun and engaging conversation with XOIE, and we'll bring the top trending topics for you in each episode to inform you and navigate you for the better future. So XOIE, before we leave, is there anything you'd like to say?
Every voice matters. Whether you're advocating for free speech or supporting measures to prevent harm, we all have a role to play. Let's keep it balanced. And remember, every action counts. And hey, whether you're team pineapple or team anti-pineapple, let's respect each other's tastes. Don't forget to follow us on social media for updates and behind-the-scenes content. Until next time, stay curious, and remember, we're here to help you navigate your life.
Fantastic. Stay curious, everyone. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next episode. Ciao.